1947, just weeks after independence, Kashmir was under attack. Pakistan-backed raiders had almost reached Srinagar. Their target? The airfield. The valley's only link to India. If it had fallen, Kashmir might have been lost. At a village called Badgam, fewer than 100 Indian soldiers held off hundreds of attackers. They were outnumbered and outgunned, but they stood their ground. That one stand saved the airfield and Kashmir. But it also showed something deeper. India's military back then was stretched thin. No advanced technology, no joint command, barely enough equipment. This is the story of how that changed from 1947 to 2025, how India transformed into a 21st century military power. For decades, India depended on foreign weapons. Today, thousands of military items from drones to radars are being made in India. Defense exports have been multiplied 34 times in the last 10 years. In 1998, India tested its nuclear weapons and declared a clear strategy. No first use, limited deterrence and civilian control. It now has a full nuclear triad by land, air and sea. Further, India also learned from wars. Defeats like the 1962 war with China led to major reforms. The 1971 war showed their success. Kargil in 1999 exposed gaps in intel and coordination, and those were fixed. Then came the era of joint force. In 2019, India appointed its first Chief of Defence Staff. By 2025, Operation Sindoor proved the impact that all three forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, work together using Indian and imported tech in perfect sync. The Indian military now includes women in command roles. It partners with startups, tech experts, and scientists. National defense is no longer just about soldiers, it's about systems, skills, and strategy. Therefore, from a desperate defense in 1947 to a coordinated strike force in 2025, India's military has been built through courage, setbacks, and smart decisions. These 5 changes, building at home, nuclear clarity, learning from wars, joint command, and inclusion, have turned India into a 21st century military power. And therefore, this is more than just defense evolution. It's the story of how India transformed its military and secured its future.